bro.
It should be tight.
Yeah, it's tight.
No check engine light?
No check engine light, buddy.
Fuck, man.
What? You hating on me or something? Oh my god. But his hair gets in my eye.
It was like bitch looking at me crazy when I had that shit on.
Who wouldn't? What's a good road to do pull on? This one?
How much you buy it for?
Who?
Nigga, Jacaria.
We don't talk about the price like that. Oh shit!
Don't go too far back!
You wanna get a ticket like Taj over here, nigga?
That's where he did it?
Get him.
Niggas about to hit something, bro.
I like this camera shit, bro. Let me buy it off of you.
Fuck no, nigga.
Jack, you're trying to get somebody, man.
I bought it to sell. No.
You bought it to fucking...
I got the glasses coming.
Yeah, I look goofy as hell with this shit on.
But with the glasses, you should be fine, bro.
I look goofy as hell with this shit on.
Whoa, buddy.
Buddy going sideways.
Bro, I'm shifting early as shit, bro. I'm scared.
It's 400, right? Or
4.
480. It's 400 feels pretty good.
Oh my god.
Still want more, bro?
Here.
Look at Jacaria, man. He be balling with that Honda.